Today we're talking about relating decimal multiplication with fraction multiplication. So we're going to start by doing our fraction multiplication, and we're going to turn 6.6 into a fraction, which is 66 tenths, and we are going to multiply that by 2.8, which is 28 tenths. The next thing we're going to do is combine these so that we know that we're multiplying right straight across. Then we are going to get 66 times 28 over 10 times 10, which is going to be our denominator. The third step we're going to do is actually do the multiplication. So we're going to do our 66 times 28. We're going to do 6 times 8, which is 48. 6 times 8 again, which is 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. And as always, we need to make sure we bring down our placeholder 0 and move on to our 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And then we need to make sure that we add them together to get 8, 4, 8, and 1. And we are going to put our 1,848, which is that multiplication, over 10 times 10 is 100. So now that we have 1,848 hundredths, I know that my hundredths is going to be 2 place values, so my final answer is going to be 18.48 because that ends in my hundredths place. That's the fractional multiplication part. The other one we need to do is our decimal multiplication, or our unit multiplication. So we are simply going to do 6.6 times 2.8, and 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Bring down our placeholder 0, and we are going to do 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. We're going to add those together and get 8, 4, 8, and 1. And we have 1, 2 decimal places in our problem. Therefore, I need to put 2 decimal places in my answer. And I'm going to look and compare, and they are equal, so I know I did them both correct.